Alright guys, right here I'm just showing my products. You got the black castor oil. It's a really good product. I got that brush from Salon, like $3. Cantu, really good. It makes your hair really silky and shiny. I like that. What's that? The shampoo. I like the shampoo and conditioner to that Biotin. I wish they had a leave-in conditioner for it too. It would be really nice. And it promotes growth as well, so yeah, you might want to hit on that. The junk was really nice. But yeah, I'm just brushing my hair right here, just getting a couple of strokes in. But this video is really about it's really a brush session and products. It is my first video, so yeah, but I am gonna go more in depth on more videos. Just this video is me just brushing my hair, really. Just heads up, just me brushing my hair. My waves, I guess I would give my waves like I'll give my waves maybe a 6 out of 10, maybe a 7. It's just not where I want it to be. So I've been a waver for 3+ years, maybe. I think this is the 4th year. But yeah, I'm just this video is about brushing my hair, so let y'all get back to it.
Purchase your tracks today.